Deep within the wilds lies one of the most mysterious and thriving ecosystems on the planet, a place filled with squirrels, vast, untouched, and brimming with life. It is a kingdom built on survival, adaptation, and acorns. We spoke with a local squirrel inside the community to guide us on a tour of the rainforest. We present to you the Squirrel Rainforest.
Welcome to my house.
Squirrel. This is your house.
No, they come. Welcome to my fort. My house over here. We are the nature provides. If you have any questions,
Wow. Is this your home?
it's my favorite food right here. It's very nutritious. What? Come on,
Show me
let's
what.
go to my house. I live on this tiny hill. Don't want to bother. My wife, she died. Which way is my house? Uh-oh. This is my bathtub.
This is the Squirrel Village. It has a jail, city hall, and a therapy center, and also a bath.
Twelve seconds later.
Would you get to take a dip?
Yes.
Go in the bathtub.
Wow, cool.
This-
bathtub.
This is where I take a shit.
Alright, so Mr. Squirrel, can you show more? Because this is for a documentary about your nature, your home.
Fuck you. Well, let's see. My favorite part is where the people get kidnapped. We have to find them first.
Which evil people you kidnap?
We kidnapped all the people around here.
Does that mean I'm
You hear that? Oh, you're too ugly. Oh, this is the human shite. This is the baby human.
So what do you eat all day?
The nature provides with my food.
Like what? Like name a food you eat.
Oh, look at the waterfall.
What do you eat? What do you eat?
Where is the human? We found them! Oh my goodness. Now be very, very careful. You're going to talk to them while I hide. Oh,
Wow. Oh, so these are the people who came with us with our for National Geographic. These people applied to our application to come with us since they're like our massive fans, like Kevin right there. You can see as you can see Kevin, he's very happy to see the national park because he was very excited to see the large trees, the squirrels, Yeah, and he likes dolphins a lot, as you can see in the shirt. And yes, he's happy. He was jumping a lot. And Mr. Squirrel Man is coming to the human to say hi.
Look, I ate his cheek.
He's running away from you. And look, another guest. Look, he wants to say hi. This is our guest on the National Geographic contest.
This game is fucking ass. It's not even
Just
realistic.
show me more for the documentary. Like Borat.
Well, let's look stupid as a squirrel.
Like,
His computer, his phone can't handle this game. Look how slow he's going.
TR mobile players.
Oh,
No, he died. Okay. Well, that's the end for the National Geographic episode. Oh,
that's it. I'm out of here.
Wait,
This
wait.
game is not full.
okay.
Not realistic.
Okay, that's the end for our National Geographic. Tell us if you want us to do more documentaries on the National Geographic parks. Also,
Can we play?
see you on the next episode.